Pari Art and Draw. Today we will draw Doraemon because I like Doraemon cartoon very much. First of all, we will make Doraemon nose and eyes. Look friends, Doraemon is watching you. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and like the channel. Now it's time to make Doraemon's belt. After that, we will make Doraemon's hands and stomach. Now we are going to draw Doraemon's legs, friends. Friends, now we will also draw Doraemon's other hand. So friends, now it's time to fill color. You also fill the color and enjoy the